Meistergo students, and today we are going to have a quick revision of the first chapter of our history, that is tracing changes through the 1000 year. As we know, history suggests some changes. There are many changes that take place through the time. So in this chapter we are going to learn that how the changes took place in different things through the time through a span of 1000 years, that is 700 to 1700. So the story starts with a cartographer, which is Arab cartographer Al-Adrisi. First of all, we need to know that what is cartographer. So cartographer is a person who draws a map, and Al-Adrisi was an Arab cartographer जिसने इंडिया का सबसे first map draw किया था, but which was not correct. It was totally upside down. The south part was drawn in the north and northern part was drawn in the south. Then the appropriate map came in 17th century, which was drawn by a French cartographer. So this was a small example of how change takes place through a span of time. So in this chapter we are going to learn about many things that had changed through the time. So first of all we need to talk about terminologies. Yes. So the first terminology was Hindustan. आज हम हिंदुस्तान किस reference में use करते हैं? We use Hindustan for the whole nation, India. So this term was used by Minhaj-e-Siraz in 13th century, and he used this term to refer the area of Punjab and Haryana and the area between Yamuna and Ganga. Then after Minhaj-e-Siraz, Babur used the same term Hindustan to refer the fauna, geography and the culture of Hindustan. Then in the same reference, Amir Khusro used the term Hind to describe the fauna, geography of India. Then we can take example of another term, that is foreigner. How do we use foreigner? We use foreigner for somebody who is not from our nation now. But in the history, the term foreigner, or we can say ajnabi, pardesi, these terms was used to refer somebody who is not belong to the village or the community, who is appearing for the first time in any village. So you can see how the terminologies change itself through the time. Then अब ये सारे हिस्ट्री के बारे में हमें कैसे पता चलता है? थ्रू सम सोर्सेज. वी यूज सम सोर्सेज टू लर्न अबाउट आवर हिस्ट्री, एंड दीज सोर्सेज कैन बी मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट्स, कॉइन्स, inscriptions, etc. There are various sources present in the world. So now we'll learn about manuscripts. Manuscripts are written by or copied by the scribes, but हम जैसे कभी कभी होता है वी स्किप गोइंग टू द स्कूल, हम स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं, एंड देन वी आस्क टू द फ्रेंड्स, मैम ने आज क्या कराया प्लीज बताओ हमको, एंड हम उसकी नोटबुक में से कॉपी करते हैं. बट व्हेन यू कॉपी योर होमवर्क, हम उसको एग्जैक्टली नोट नहीं कर पाते हैं. समटाइम योर फ्रेंड ऐसे कुछ भी लिख देते हैं, देन वी जस्ट ट्राई टू फिगर आउट कि भाई लिखा क्या है. देन वी कॉपी द सेम, लाइक वी ड्रॉ द सेम वर्ड एज ही ड्रॉन. सेम हैपेंस विद द स्क्राइब्स, बिकॉज मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले लिखी गई है, एंड जब उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि वो वर्ड क्या है, सो दे इंट्रोड्यूस फ्यू चेंजेस. खुद से ही वो फ्यू चेंजेस उसमें कर देते हैं, एंड दैट चेंजेस ग्रो ओवर द टाइम वेरी बिग. जैसे हमने देखा कि हिंदुस्तान, फॉरेनर, छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स का मीनिंग कितना चेंज हुआ है टाइम के साथ. सो ऐसे ही जब स्क्राइब्स चेंजेस इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, इट ग्रो बिगर थ्रू द टाइम. Changes also came in the living standard of people. They started new way of living. There were some new technology introduced for different purposes, like irrigation like Persian wheel for irrigation, spinning wheel for weaving, and firearms for combat. There were many changes introduced in agriculture too. There were many new crops started growing by the people, that is potato, corns, etc. Then that was a period of great mobility, as in people started moving. लोगों ने इधर से उधर जाना स्टार्ट कर दिया था in search of new opportunities. Like if we finished our studies, we need a good job, right? And for that job, we moved to some places. In the same way, at that time also, people started searching new opportunities, new job, and in that search, they started mobility. So लोगों को अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली. देयर वर न्यू मेथड्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस. तो लोगों ने न्यू ऑक्यूपेशन स्टार्ट किए. सम वर क्राफ्ट पर्सन, सम वर सेटल्ड एग्रीकल्चर्स, सम वर इनटू आर्टिसंस. सो देयर वर वेल सेटल्ड जॉब, एंड if you remember, अगर आपको याद हो, people were categorized into 4 category earlier. That was Brahmin, Kshatriya, then Vaishyas and Shudras. But after people settled into defined job, they divided themselves into jatis. वो jatis में divided हो गए, and new jatis had their own rules and regulations. They had their own assemblies, which is known as jati panchayat. वो खुद के rules and regulations बनाते थे. Jati panchayat were the assemblies of elders. So वो अपनी जातीज के लिए rules define करते थे, and the people in the jatis has to follow that rules and regulations. So there were a new identification of the people, that was their jatis. And there were changes introduced in empires also. Like if you remember, पहले medieval India में like starting जब medieval India की हुई थी, there was Sultanate period, and उस time पे empires used to be very big, like Mughals, Chola Empire, they used to be very big. So अब धीरे धीरे when jatis framed, when people defining their different groups, so अब ये जो empires थी, they started spanning into diverse regions, जिसको हम बोलते हैं pan regional empire. ये जो बड़ी बड़ी empires थी, ये छोटे छोटे region में divide होना start हो गई, so that जब Britishers हमारे इंडिया में आए, तब उन्हें बहुत सारी different regional empires का सामना करना पड़ा था, because they divided into small regional empires. Then new changes came into bhakti, into religion also. People started building temples, they started worshipping deities, क्योंकि पहले आपको याद होगा early humans used to worship nature. So धीरे धीरे लोगों ने temples build करना start कर दिया, and there were some king also, they used to show their powers through building some temples. And there were new religions also which introduced, like जब Sultanate period start हुआ, people who came from Central India, they carried a new religion with themselves, that is Islam. So इस्लाम की जो हॉली बुक होती है, दैट इज कुरान, एंड कुरान की लर्निंग्स, कुरान का जो रिलीजन था, कुरान की जो लर्निंग्स थी, उन्हें इंडिया में अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. इंडिया में न्यू रिलीजन आया, दैट इज इस्लामिक. इस्लामिक में लोग 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड हो गए, दैट इज शिया एंड सुन्नी, एंड दे हैव देयर डिफरेंट बिलीव्स. So this is how the changes came into religions also. So this was about the history, that how it changed during the time, during a span of 1000 years. And अगर हमें बोल दिया जाए we need to learn history, पूरा एक साथ हमें history पढ़नी है, it will be impossible, right? So to make it easier, to make it convenient, our historians divided our history into 3 periods. So Britishers ने भी और historians ने भी हमारी history को 3 periods में divide किया है. Britishers का जो periodization है, that is Hindu, Muslim and British. The ancient period referred to Hindus, medieval period refers to Muslim, then the modern period refers to the Britishers, because इस time period पे हमारा जब ancient time था तो हिंदुओं का राज था, medieval time था तो मुस्लिम का राज था, modern time था तो Britishers का राज था. But there was a problem with this periodization, because we cannot divide our history on the basis of any religion. Because when there were Hindu kings, there were Muslims also present in India. When there were Muslim kings, Hindus were also present, and when the time of Britishers, there were different kinds of beliefs and religions exist in India. So we cannot divide our history on the basis of religion. So there were another periodization, that is ancient, medieval and modern, that is widely referred to divide the history of India. So this is about the chapter. I guess you all understood. So thank you very much. Miles to go.